Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Arsalan Sher and today we are on a hike to Jaal Baba, a very special and a famous place of Pakhal Valley. Currently we are in Do-Taar Mera, from where it is Do-Taar Saidan, sorry, and from here we will move to a waterfall, a famous waterfall of Do-Taar, and then we will move to Jaal Baba. It's a hike of about 2 hours, and let's enjoy this place. Let's see what happens next. So finally we have reached the waterfall, the famous waterfall of Pakhal Valley, and now Mr. Uzair will share his views about this waterfall.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम उज़ैर। जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि आज हम आए हैं अरसलान शेर के साथ। तो ये हमारे पखल का दोतार सईदा की एक बहुत ही मशहूर और बहुत ही खूबसूरत वाटरफॉल है। क्योंकि पानी कम होने की वजह से, बारिशें ना होने की वजह से पानी तो कम हो गया है, मगर जगह की खूबसूरती कम ना हुई। तो आज हमारी टीम बनी है सर अरसलान के साथ। तो जगह के लिहाज से देखा जाए तो वो तो जस्ट लुकिंग लाइक अ वाओ, मगर देखा जाए अरसलान सर के साथ तो बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है। आप भी आए, एंजॉय करें।
We have crossed waterfall and we are on the way to Jaal Baba. The place where I am standing right now is Bada, and it is a rocky and slippery trek. It's a bit difficult but not impossible. Hiking is my passion, and exploring the beauty created by Almighty Allah is my foremost duty. So connecting my duty with my passion, I have become a hiker. So I'm really blessed, and I'm really thankful to Almighty Allah for being so generous to us, for creating such beautiful places in our area. Pakhal Valley is always the most beautiful place in Mansehra. So keep enjoying this video and keep watching this vlog. Let's go. So we have reached to a place which is called Chara, a curved like waterfall which only falls in December and January. So it's one of the famous places which is Chara, and we are enjoying our hike. We are about 1 hour away from our destination, which is Jaal Baba. Let's enjoy this place and let's enjoy this hiking trek. Hiking is never easy, but if you are sick of anxiety, depression and worldly affairs, it is highly recommended. Because when you are away from city, you are away from those worldly affairs who are making you anxious. So do bring some me time in your life and do enjoy with yourself. It's always pleasurable. It's always pleasure to have some good friends and delicious food on a hike. So we are cooking chicken biryani here while on our hike to Jaal Baba. It's really a very calm place, a very relaxed place. There is no sound of horns. There is no sound of worldly fights. So we are truly enjoying this natural place. So keep enjoying with us, and we will show you our cooked delicious biryani. Some of our friends are there to cook biryani. So while they are cooking biryani, me and Abdullah will visit Jaal Baba, and we will see how beautiful place that is. So let's see what happens. Silence. and beauty. Wow. If you will ask me, I'll say that silence and beauty, it is the best combination in the world. And it is what I am witnessing today. It's completely silent and it is more than beautiful. So I'll say that it is the best combination I have ever found. Thanks to Allah Almighty for all His blessings.
Ali Ali dum dum, walaya yahar dum dum. Rabada shi gum gum, rabada shi gum gum. Damadam maskalander, sahi shabas kalander. Damadam maskalander, sahi shabas kalander. Ali Ali dum dum, walaya yahar dum dum. Rabada shi gum gum, rabada shi gum gum. Damadam maskalander, sahi shabas kalander. Damadam maskalander, sahi shabas kalander. Ali Ali dum dum, walaya yahar dum dum. Rabada shi gum gum, rabada shi gum gum.
So finally friends, we have reached Jaal Baba. It was hard and slippery trek because it was rocky trek. It was difficult, but it was not hard than my passion. So my passion again won against these hard treks. So I am truly happy because of it, and I am truly proud to be at this place because it was the courtroom of ancient people, where it is being said that there were several prestigious leaders and elders who decided different disputes here. So it is an honor for me to be at this place, and I am really truly very much happy to show you all these beautiful places. So keep enjoying this vlogs. I'll show you some more places of Pakhal Valley. There are many to explore and I am on it. I'll take all those places. Keep enjoying your life and do take some me time in your life where you can enjoy, where you can come out of those anxieties and depressions. It is really important to give some time to yourself and to give relaxation and some deep meditation to yourself. Thank you so much. Keep enjoying your life.